vitamins for your teeth. So I'm gonna put them on your teeth and they will help make your teeth nice and shiny and strong.
I like this glasses.
Yeah, those are nice, huh?
Yeah.
You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep them here for you. So next time you come and visit me, you can wear them again. Does that sound good? Okay, cool. So he'll be able to eat and drink right away after this light goes on. What we want to do is avoid anything really sticky or crunchy for 2 hours. So just until 5:15. Gum, candy, chips, crackers, like that. So I'm going to use my little towel again, okay? And then I'm going to paint those little vitamins on your teeth. And I only have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. And then you can get more water from our little straw again. Stickers.
Wow.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's that the point? Ready? Here's your phone. Did you know how to do this? Ready? You want more? Okay, ready? Nice work, yeah. All right, handsome man. Let me see your tongue. Can you stick it out?
Oh,
Oh, we got it. Good job, bud. Guess what? You ready to get your sticker? All right, let's sit you up.